Hi everyone, it's Holly here and I'm back again this week with a hair tutorial for you. Try to make these 5-minute hairstyles for you that are quick and easy to follow if you are kind of learning how to style your hair and want to practice at all. So let's get right into it. I created this half up hairstyle. I feel like it's a modern take on a half up hairstyle. You can do it if your hair is shorter, mid-length, or long. And it has that modern middle part with the slick back. And this kind of hairstyle with the flip out is really in right now and I think really cute and flattering. Great for summer, honestly any time of year. I've plugged in my flat iron that I'm going to be using, the GHD Platinum Plus. My hair I washed I think 2 days ago, so this is the dry shampoo I'm loving lately, the Unite Invisible dry shampoo. I love this dry shampoo. I forgot how much I loved it and went to use it the other day. I'm gonna start with this tool. It broke. I have to get a new one, but I use it so much. It's like got different names for it, edge comb, rat tail comb, but it has 2 ends to it. But I use this to get the perfect straight part. We will be having kind of a crisp upper half. I want to kind of keep this lower half as thick as I can by the ear. Go up at like as steep angle as I can, running along from the ear here up like this. Then you have more hair coming out, which will just make it look more thick. I go from the half part here and I'm kind of doing my slick back technique here. Trusty teasing brush. Kind of doing my best to get all the bumps out and make it as tight to my head as I can. They're not the best because they're like bright colored. 2, grabbing that hair. Okay, 2 little pass throughs. I want to just see a little bit of this half pony. I don't want it to look crazy and have it on top of my head. I want it just visible behind that part. I'm gonna take about 1-inch sections with my straightener, pull it kind of taut, and I'm kind of doing a little bit of an outward flip, and mainly that it's nice and straight. I'm gonna do the same thing with the ponytail portions. Kind of do that curl under, not like a curl. Okay. This bottom half is so sleek. Really love this Fructis frizz tamer. I use it all the time. Since I got it, I really like going up right at my part, and this does a great job at separating those hair pieces from the part so that the part really stands out. And it will keep that in place because it has a gel. I also like to kind of drop down my edges here because I have these little like baby hairs that are growing back, so I kind of like to do that. It's kind of cute to add like a couple. This Balm de Rose from Lenore Grail. Use the smallest amount on this little brush end, and this is where I'm going to make sure that it's all perfectly slicked back all the way up to the top. And then this is sometimes like a frustrating part, but just getting out those little bumps the best you can. Basically always a good idea is doing back combing to this ponytail part. I add a little bit of hairspray. This is the Boosta Finishing Volume Hairspray because it will kind of hold that back combing in place a little bit. This is the final look. We're in love. We're obsessed with it. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at Hall_Ward on YouTube. I post every single week. I do lots of hair tutorials. I will be sure to include this in my hair tutorial playlist so you can watch this and a whole bunch of others if you're interested in hairstyles. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle over there at Hall_Ward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.